Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making slime. So let's get started. So for the slime we will need a little bit of glue, shaving cream. You can use food dye, we're not using food dye. And you don't have to have this, but I'm just gonna put in a few little beads and a container for your slime. Now let's get started with the glue. So we just want to simply unscrew the glue lid and dump it in there. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa! It's coming out pretty good. So I feel like that's good enough. Try not to get this on your clothes because, well, yes, you know why. Oh, I didn't bring spoons. Next, the shaving cream. How do we, I think there's a lock on this somewhere. Oh, here we go. I have to go get a spoon. I'll be right back. So I got my spoon. There we go. Wipe that shaving cream off. And there. Next, we're just going to simply stir the slime till it looks nice and fluffy and you can't tell what's in it. Okay. This is like... it's basically shaving cream. This is great. This is really a slime fail. I wonder if we got any more glue in there. Oh, we got some. I think I put a little too much shaving cream, not saving cream. Uh-oh. I am doomed. Okay. I was expecting like great slime, but really I got this. I wonder if I could like take some of the shaving cream out. Let's try that. Okay. This is like, I don't even know what this is. This is not slime. Okay, I want this off my hand, like, right now. Okay. This is just shaving cream. Okay. Oh, it's cold, like really cold. Got a little? Oh, it's so cold. Like, I can't even feel my hand, it's so cold. This is like going terrible. Do not follow my example for this slime fail. Okay, I want to add a few beads now. Oh, great. The package is closed. There, that's a... Oh, one got away. I saved it though. Nope, not good. This is like all over both of my hands. This is like so terrible. I like don't have words to explain it. Washing my hands with whatever this is. Washing my hands. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. This is like bad, like bad. Like, oh my goodness, this is terrible. Oh, it's so cold. But if you rub it, they make good gloves. Hi, I'm a princess. Do you like my gloves? They're definitely not shaving cream and glue. Let's shake our hand. They're shaving cream and glue! That was a legitimate slime fail. That is what I call a slime fail right there. Slime fail! Okay, Thank you for watching. Do not follow my instructions. No. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.